Hey guys, Big Dan Bakes here. Proud to announce we got our first partnership. We'll find out all about it. Stay tuned. What I'm holding in my hand here seems like a boring piece of styrofoam. However, what it is probably one of the greatest inventions the RV industry has seen in many years. So this is a block that goes up into your AC unit, which probably doubles the airflow, the amount of AC, the force of it, the velocity of it, filling your camper when you're running your air conditioning. Now, this company is called RV AirFlow. And as the story goes, the founders, Richard and Joanne, were camping in Texas. They are RVers themselves. And they had all three units running on a hot Texas day and could not get their RV below 86 degrees. So, being in the industry, he has over 30 years experience in kind of HVAC, refrigeration, appliance type experiences. He understood that pressurized box that RV systems use for their AC, it blows down, it pressurizes a box, and by nature, because it's being pressurized, it pushes air down the ductwork. It's kind of a very passive system. He understood the inefficiencies of it and the downfalls of it. So he started working on a solution, and this was his solution. This is the final product here. So this, you tear all your guts out, this goes up in there, everything has seals on it, it's airtight. These sweeps actually direct all of the force of that air directly into the ductwork. There's nothing passive about it. This will probably double the flow of your AC. So he worked on it, developed it, and over time, this is what we ended up with. Now, he has a couple different blocks depending on what you have. I'll link all the spec sheets below. Most, I cannot stress to you enough how very important it is that you measure. Yes, there's a list of compatible units. Yes, these are basically designed to work with Grand Design automatically, but there's other manufacturers, and some of the manufacturers, they worked in and then they changed their plenum. So you have to always measure. We'll go over all that. I'll be doing a full install video. We'll go over all that. But again, I'll link all the instructions, all those things below. Measure before you buy. There's 2 or 3 critical measurements that you have to verify that your plenum will accept this fully and it will work flawlessly for you. But it's an ingenious design. Even the return system, instead of using this much of your return getting filtered, the way this is beveled, full filters are used, and you got a full larger air return, and it really steps up the efficiency. So I called to get one of these when it was featured at the Grand Design Expo in 2019. I knew right then and there I had to have it, and I've been wanting to get one. And so this coming year, we're gonna be doing some hot area camping, and I really did want to just get one of these. I only have one AC in my Grand Design Imagine 2150. So I did want to get one of these, and my unit is, when you take off the covers and you look up in there, there's going to be a little sticker with a serial number and all. So my unit was the Mach 15. So the block I'm currently holding will fit your Coleman Mach 3, Mach 8 or something, Mach 13. There's 4 or 5 units. Again, refer to the links below to see which one you need. So this is it right here. I'm very excited about it. I'm very excited for the partnership. So I called up, and a special thanks to Art Miller over there. He's the one who I was talking to about obtaining one of these. And I was telling him a little about what we do. We're a small channel, we do these vlogs and instructional videos and things like that. So he told me about their affiliate program and signed me up. So they're our first official partnership. I'm very excited about it. I'm going to do my best to get the word out for their product. Disclaimer, they did send me this. I did not pay for it. They did send this to me, but I'm under no obligation in my reviews, in my installation, or anything of that nature to give them any undue compliments or reviews. So as usual, every review I do, every install I do, everything I talk about, if it has praise associated with it, it's because it's earned it. Being somebody who's also in the industry, I do understand the downfalls of the AC system. So check out that install video, because not only are we going to talk about the differences, I'm going to have my anemometer, the velocimeter, where I'm actually testing the wind coming out of the vents. But I'm going to talk about, in that install video, I'm also going to talk about things checking your seal. Sometimes things aren't always tight in there and you're losing half of your AC into your attic space. So we're going to go over all those aspects as well as the install of this. So please check that out. So yeah, our first partnership, RV AirFlow. Check them out, rvairflow.com. When Don, the CEO of Grand Design, had them out in 2019, I knew right then and there this was something special. And just last year in 2020, they've actually have partnered up now to get these being produced on a more commercial level. And so that Grand Design, their higher end Solitudes and Momentums, and I believe even some of the higher end Reflections are now having these shipped from the factory OEM installed. And I imagine eventually, as their relationship with Grand Design grows, it'll probably span all of Grand Design's RVs. Right now, with the industry being how it is, they can't ship RVs out fast enough. So I don't know that we're going to see that jump from the higher end ones to the standard RVs yet with Grand Design. But my guess is eventually this is just going to become OEM. But it's a great unit. Again, use that code BatesPhoto15. You're going to get 50% off your block so you can get one in your system for this summer and really see that difference. Stay tuned. Make sure you come back, check out my install video, and then we'll be doing a follow-up as summer hits here to really see how quickly it's cooling it down, things like that. I'll do a secondary follow-up to that on how it's doing in the higher heat once we get there. All right, I'm very excited. Special thanks again, RV AirFlow and Art Miller out there at the care team. And can't wait to get this puppy installed. Stay tuned.